Good day, guys. As you all know, I don't prepare my videos. I don't script them out. I'm so lazy that I don't put up a list or something of what I'm going to say. So for this, guys, this one thing I missed regarding the video for the Osmo Action 4, this sound majiggy adapter thing. Yeah, and one thing that I noticed, I don't know if it's on the Action 2 or Action 3, because I don't have those ones. I just have this and the Action 1. This once you plug an audio thingy majiggy here, I'm gonna show you what happens. I'm gonna go to the side of the frame because I had problems with doing this. What's it? Let's just jump cut. There you go. So as you can see, you can just click on this one here, and you see a microphone on top. I don't know if you see it. It's so small on my monitor screen. Click on the microphone on top, and you can see it has a gain knob, so you can change the gain of your microphone. You can make it high or low. You can just scroll it around. At the same time, also, you see that green thing on top? Like, see that? 1, 2, 3 testing. So it's showing you the levels of the audio. So it shows you if you're peaking, it's gonna go red. So I didn't see that in the Osmo Action 1. I don't have the Osmo Action 2 and Osmo Action 3 because I didn't bother buying. But this one I got, and then it's so nice. Like, look at that. Look at the green thingy majiggy on the top. And you can adjust the gain, so it's pretty cool. I love this update. That's just the thing I missed. So, yeah. Again, this video is not sponsored or anyway, but it's with my own money.